Good afternoon, gentlemen. How are you today? Welcome. So, I'm not used to being here on an afternoon. You always see me in the morning. But we have an unboxing. Just got a box from Phoenix Artizan Accoutrements. I've opened the box, but I didn't open the item in it, so because I wanted to share it with you. So a pseudo box opening. A little razor here from Phoenix. I've been looking forward to. I had the double open comb and lent it out to my son Sean over a year ago. I was going to get it back, but then COVID hit, and I've never been back to New Hampshire to exchange and all that. Been kind of missing the razor, so upgraded a little bit. Ooh. Okay, it comes with a gasket. Okay, and I had some gaskets when I walked up the stairs. Ooh, that's pretty. Here's the back of it. Showing there. Okay. Okay, there's a little. Okay. Here we go. A little insert. Ooh, that's pretty. That's the shiny. It comes in either the matte or the shiny, and guys and shiny stuff. It's shiny. Ooh, it's pretty. It's shiny. And this is the copper Ascension. So basically it's adjustable. So you basically screw it all the way down, and that's normal. Then up to a quarter turn. I believe how that works is more aggression. Oh, it does have more curve. See the curve on that? That's definitely more than the standard double open comb dock razor. I always thought the dock could just use a tick more, so I'm hoping this is going to do the trick for me. But isn't that pretty? She's pretty, and she's heavy. Got some heft to her too. That's pretty. 3-piece razor. Might as well undo it. I'm looking for. Okay, there's not a gasket on it now. Okay, so basically the 3 pieces, and they're all shiny. Boy, that is pretty. That is pretty. Kind of copper is kind of my thing this year. I like copper, and I like uncoated copper, so it patinas into the dull penny that we're all used to. So I'm going to leave this gasket off for now because it doesn't have a blade in it. Need to clean it, all that fun stuff. So we're going to wait on that. So I'll put that back in the box for now till I have time to mess with it. But I just wanted to share that with you. Thought you might enjoy. Hope you all are having a good day as well. I'm on vacation this week, so vacation. I'm remodeling a bathroom, so vacation. But I'm not at work, so it's still a good time. And that makes it a good time too. So I'm very pleased to see that, and I will probably get to that probably by the weekend. I'm probably not going to do it right now. I'm still working with my, let me show you, my twig and all that. I did twig this morning up underneath the nose. I'm doing twig like every other morning, so I did this morning. This is Monday morning, so I'll do it again Wednesday morning. Got it up underneath the nose there. Yeah, it's got the Gillette blue, silver blue blade in it. And today I used my favorite razor, Charcoal Goods favorite razor. But I also have blades. You saw me do the beard off. Oh, got a little hair on it still. Oh yeah, it's the whiskers, because that was a lot of whiskers come off when I took the beard off. Well, my carve still has blade in it too. So I got 3 razors on the shelf right now, active, live, ready to use. So I'm playing around. Tomorrow will probably be the D plate open comb on the carve razor. I'm just mixing them. I got blades in them all. I'm using them all. It's fun. All I gotta do is clean them. It takes 2 minutes to clean a razor at the end of the week, so it's not a big deal. So I'll have fun with those this week while I'm on vacation. So and we'll save this. Yeah, we'll save this for the weekend, for a weekend shave. But wanted to show it to you. Hope you enjoyed. Go with God.